Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Ecomi holders, how are you and where are you? Now at this time the Ecomi price is already going down, my friends. Not only the Omi coin falls down, the whole cryptocurrencies is falls down. XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, everything is going down, my friends, at this time in the market. And personally, I'm very shocked to see this time the market. When I opened the updates of the cryptocurrencies market, so I found Cardano, XRP, Shiba, VideoIn, the fastest cryptocurrencies as in the negative chains. Oh my goodness. So that's mean that the price falls down. So that's mean that you are in the loss. And how you can save yourself from loss in this video, I will show you. Keep watch, and please request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. So let's start the video, my friends. First of all, the latest update is here. The price of the Omi coin at this time in the market is 0.002 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Omi coin. And the BTC Bitcoin price of the Omi is 0.000005 USD dollar. Very low price. Leave it, my friends. And the market cap, available supply, total supply, 24 hours trading volume, everything you can see now on the screen. You can easily read out, my friends. On the other side, as I told you that the price change is going negative, and now at this time the last 1 hour price change of the Omi coin is also going negative. So the last 1 hour price change is negative, so that's mean that you are losing your money. How you can save yourself from loss, my friends? That is only one way to save yourself from loss, and the way is to hold. Just imagine, my friends, if you decide to sell Omi coin at this time, so you are in the loss because the last 1 month pricing is negative, so you are in the loss. And if you decide to hold, maybe, my friends, in the future there is a chance to the price pump and you will get a profit. And if we do a technical analysis, so from the technical analysis, that's clear that it's time to the price pump, but the price jump at this time. Maybe that's a temporary funds. You can see here at this time the whole price is going down, and now it's time to take a jump. But now the price is still falls down. Don't worry about that, my friends. You have to only hold. If you hold, you will get a profit in the future, trust me. And if you sell, nothing you will get. Remember that. My prediction at this time about the Omi coin is going positive, because after a great funds there is a jump. That is the cryptocurrency's rules. And now the Omi coin, in the previous time the Omi coin is also fast down, and now it's time to take a jump. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel and also like this video.